The innovation on show at Advanced Engineering is always excellent, but I think this year is even better. It's always good here, and it's been outstanding in 2021.
The concentration of talent and skills is incredible.
It's really amazing to see so many people back at events, talking to each other, networking.
The mood around the stands, the atmosphere here, the skills, the technology that's on show today is just world class.
Welcome to Advanced Engineering, the UK's largest gathering of engineering and manufacturing professionals. And this year, the industry reunion we've all been waiting for.
This has been a brilliant opportunity for us. By coming to Advanced Engineering, we're able to connect with these industry professionals who are really at the bleeding edge of technology, innovating and taking stuff to the next level.
We're surrounded by established companies that have a great tradition in manufacturing and developing products.
We can see so many people here. There's so many exhibitors, speakers. It's all here. So it's a massive network of knowledge, capabilities and people.
And to think that the majority of it is from the UK is actually incredible. So it's been a great event.
I think the Advanced Engineering is definitely the place to be for anything composites related or automation related in the UK.
And particularly robots. I'm a fanatic for robots. For me, made my day.
It's marvellous to see the aisles absolutely buzzing with people. I'll bet that some of them came here looking for a particular supplier. They'll leave with 101 good ideas. That's got to be a good thing. And there are also people here that they can make contact with, build a relationship with, who can help them take that idea and make it a reality. I think it's brilliant.
It's been a fantastic show and so amazing to see so many businesses coming together again to reconnect face to face and discover innovation and do business. We're already so excited for next year and are looking forward to welcoming everybody back for more innovation, more discovery, more networking, more learning and more business on the 2nd and 3rd of November 2022.